GearOn is an accessory for Colorado. It is available as 3 separate packages. The basic component of GearOn is the movable tie-down. There are a total of 13 points in the truck bed where they can be installed. Here are the points. 3 on each side of the upper part of the box, 2 at the mid-level of the box, and 3 on the front of the box up high. There are 4 fixed tie-downs in the lower part of the box. These are not used with GearOn. Here's how to install the GearOn tie-down. Note that it comes already assembled. With the screw loose, compress the 2 wings of the tie-down and slide it into the desired hole in the bed. Once it's in position, tighten it firmly. Note that the tie-down's loop has a horizontal orientation. This is important. The last tightening should be done with a flat tool, like a screwdriver, to turn the tie-down and fully seat it. To remove a tie-down so that it can be placed in another position, loosen the screw while pulling outward on the tie-down so that it doesn't fall through. Then, take off the backing plate while holding the guides. Use a flat-bladed tool, like a long, thin screwdriver, to move the wings to a horizontal position, then pull the assembly out of the bed. Reassemble the movable tie-down so that it can be installed in the desired location.